ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 26ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. OSHO ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಭಾರತದ 9ನೇ ಆವೃತ್ತಿ ಭಾರತದ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಔದ್ಯೋಗಿಕ ಸುರಕ್ಷತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮಾ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿದ್ದು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಂದು ಆರಂಭಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಜೂನ್ 27 ಮತ್ತು 28, 2024ರಂದು ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಿರುವ 2 ದಿನಗಳ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋ ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕ ರಕ್ಷಣಾ ಸಾಧನಗಳು, ಔದ್ಯೋಗಿಕ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಪರಿಹಾರಗಳು, ಸುರಕ್ಷತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೃತಕ ಬುದ್ಧಿಮತ್ತೆ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಗಳು, ಫಾಲ್ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಂಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ವರ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಗತಿಯನ್ನ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶಿಸಿದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನದನ್ನ ಸೆಳೆಯುವ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ.
The overall theme of the conference being New Age POSH Solutions for a Safer Workplace. The conference will feature 40 distinguished speakers across 12 sessions, encompassing in-depth speaker sessions and panel discussions on key topics in occupational safety and health. I extend sincere thanks to our esteemed associations and partners, particularly the Karnataka State
Head of Karnataka, what you are saying today. So thank you so much, Director sir. Thank you so much, Nanjappa sir, Navneet sir, and the entire department for making this dream true for us. Thank you so much.
Introducing the OSH North India Edition 2025, a premier destination for the occupational safety and health industry.
Must be give. Yeah. It was, but not too much was. Everything was 100%. Maybe also I will tell you the details and details. Nothing I have seen. I will just.
This one for a hose pipe cutting. YouTube cutting, hose pipe cutting.
Hose pipe cutting.
A big thank you to all our media friends for coming here at the OSH South India Expo. I'll just quickly introduce you to the panel and all the dignitaries who are here. Our chief guest for today, Mr. Mohammad Mohsi, IAS Principal Secretary, Labour Department, Government of Karnataka. Thank you, sir, once again for coming. Our guest of honor, Mr. K. Srinivas, Director, Government of Karnataka. Thank you for your time, sir, and for becoming part of this event. Our President from Sama, and a friend of mine, if I can call him, Mr. Mahesh Kudau, and myself, Pankaj Jain. I'm the Senior Group Director, Safety and Security Portfolio for Informa Markets in India. Large Indian companies or even mid-sized companies who manufacture the best of the product and technology, not just for India, but they export all across the world. So sir, while we may have 30% international clients, 70% of the companies that are showcasing the products and technology here are Indian companies, and not only do they sell in India, they sell globally, right? So if you have any questions pertaining to the exhibition, what are the different products, what are the different technologies, you can ask that question to Mahesh or even me. Some words for you.
I would like to say that SAMA, actually Safety Appliance Members Association, 60 years old, and we have over 500 members producing and marketing appliance products. One of the initiatives that we have taken, in fact today Mohsin sir has also given us the initiative, that we have to go down to the people and explain what safety and health is. So one of the initiatives that SAMA has taken is we are going to do a lot of road shows with industrial associations and directors of factories and boilers and industrial safety and health. We are going to go road shows because MSME is a key area. Just now on the rise we heard that the accidents in MSME are 10 times more than in organized sector. So the real challenge for our country is that we know that MSMEs are going to be the bulk of the production is going to be done by MSME. And in this MSME, it's very few people having knowledge on safety or health. So one of the things that a gap that SAMA is going to fill is by doing road shows. We have a lot of safety awareness programs captured on how safety can be improved.
ಲೇಬರ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಇದರ ನಾವು ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಡಿಯಾಗೆ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಲೇಬರ್ ಕೋಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪ್ರೊವಿಷನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಮೇಡ್. So that also from government of Karnataka we are seeing that not only Karnataka, across the country we should have a proper safety policy so that everybody is safe and secure.
तो वैसे ಆಕ್ಯುಪೇಷನಲ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಔದ್ಯೋಗಿಕ ಸುರಕ್ಷತೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇ ಕೆಲಸ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೂ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಯುಪೇಷನಲ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ರೋಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಮಿತ್ರರು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಹೇಗೆ ಔದ್ಯೋಗಿಕ ಒಂದು ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಇದಾಗ್ತದೆ ಆ ಥರ ಕೈಗಾರಿಕೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಲಸದ ವಾತಾವರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೊಂದು ಸುರಕ್ಷತೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ನಡೆಸೋದು ಕಾರಣ ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಯೂಶಲಿ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂಬೈ ಅಂತ ಕಡೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದಿದ್ವಿ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಕಾರ್ಖಾನೆಗಳಿಗೂ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸೌಲಭ್ಯ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೊಸದು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಯುರೋಪಲ್ಲಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಮೆರಿಕದಲ್ಲಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಶೋನಲ್ಲೂ
Sriram, like our principal secretaries have mentioned that it's the duty of the associations to spread awareness among its members. In fact, at Electronic City we have more than 300 organizations, and we spend a lot of time spreading awareness and doing a lot of activities which promote safety among organizations. For example, we had tie-up with the Safety Council, and also we are very cooperative department officials who help us in promoting
So I think this today's exhibition and seminar is very good for all industries in Karnataka and across the South India also. So I think all the industries, all the manufacturers, all the exhibitors will get good benefit out of it. And I hope that with this type of events, the number of accidents or hazards will come down in all of Karnataka and across the South India. So I think it's a good opportunity. And I request all the media friends to advertise maximum extent so that all the people across the industry and the factories, they can come here and get benefit to the info market this program. I wish all success to this program. All
ಇದಾಗಿತ್ತು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ News 26 ಕನ್ನಡ. ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ.